A medical directive is a legal document that allows you to name somebody to act as an agent on your behalf in the event that you're unable to make your own medical decisions yourself about your body and your medical treatment. The reason that medical directives are so important is because oftentimes there's a question about who has the authority to make decisions about somebody's treatment when they are incapacitated. You may be assuming that if you're married or if you have kids, then your spouse or your next of kin would just automatically have the legal right to make those decisions for you. However, if you leave that question unanswered and there's disagreement about what is to be done, then you are potentially setting yourself up to have your family fighting about who should be making these decisions. One famous example of this was with a woman named Terri Schiavo in Florida who went into a vegetative state. After a few months of limited brain activity, her husband decided to essentially let her go. Her parents completely disagreed with that decision, and because Terri did not execute a medical directive, there was a question as to whether her spouse or her parents had the authority to make these difficult decisions. When the time came for her husband to make that decision, her parents sued in order to stop it, and the case was wrapped up for years in court about the question of who has the right to make these decisions. Now, had she executed a medical directive, there would not have been questions and uncertainty and litigation and fighting to the extent that there was. So one important consideration is to weigh the likelihood of disagreement in the event that you are in a medical crisis and unable to make decisions yourself. This video is educational and should not be used as a substitute for discussing your personal circumstances with an attorney.